I uploaded 21 videos within the span of 10 days, and my results will shock you out of your bones. Spoiler alert, it was not what I expected. You're welcome to Henry Shines, and I'm going to be giving you a recap, or would I say a report of my sprint, my last 10-day sprint. Yes, because I must let you know that YouTube has changed. YouTube is not what you think it is. As that last year? No. Or year before last? No. It's different. The algorithm runs differently. So, before I get started, go ahead and give a like to this video and don't forget to subscribe. Okay. And just in case you don't know, we have an 80% discount on our Content to Cash Academy, right? You can click the link in the description and you can join us ASAP, because after October, the price goes back. Okay, so now I'm going to open up my analytics because I want you to learn from this sprint. Now, what I mean by sprint is that this space of time, which is 10 days, right? I use it to post multiple videos, right? I actually posted between 1 to like 3 videos in a day. So let me quit talking and go straight into the content, right? So I'm opening up my content and then I'm going to show you one after the other what exactly I expected and what eventually happened and what I'll be doing. I mean, going on from now. Am I going to quit YouTube? Well, we'll find out, okay? Now, take a good look at all these videos. I actually recorded them in the space of 10 days. And the plan was to bring more visibility to the channel, right? Just talking about topics that are important to the YouTube ecosystem, right? And to my utmost disappointment, it met with 0 views. Yes, starting from this one, as you can see, this was what I posted 10 days ago. You can see it's an 8 out of 10, and you can see it was posted on October 13th. Today is October 23, as I'm recording this. So 10 days ago, look at it, 10 solid days ago. Okay. Oh yes, I posted 2 on that first day, and you can see, well, this one has 1 view, and that 1 view, but I didn't actually I didn't watch it, so definitely somebody watched it. 1 view. My goodness, YouTube, why are you like this? See another one, 1 view. Can you see 0 views? Let me tell you that YouTube is not about you. You must realize that. I mean, yeah, it's called YouTube, but the you there is not for you, it's the viewer, okay? Get to understand that YouTube is not about you, it's about your viewer. And that's what's going to happen, and I'm going to show you in this next batch of videos here. And I decided to switch up the game. Let me talk about some tutorial videos. I mean, like show how to use AI, right, to create videos, and that got the views. Look at it. 2 views, 6 views, 17 views. This particular one performed better than all of them. Until you can see it's a 1 out of 10. And the average view duration was 3 minutes 35 seconds. That shows that this is what the audience wants. Everybody wants to know how to use AI to make videos. Who wants to work? Nobody wants to work. Everybody wants to know how you can use AI to create videos. And of course, I was able to capture the audience's interest, and you can see how this played out. Now, following this discovery, I decided, okay, I'll get back to my normal sit down talking videos. I went back to 0 views, as you can see here. 0 views, 0 views, 0 views. What? YouTube, why are you like this? Come on! What's this nonsense all about? Am I quitting YouTube? Maybe I may consider that, but wait a minute before we get into that, before we rush into conclusions. See, 1 view, finally. Oh my God, look at it. Did more videos, 0 views, 1 view, 0 views, 0 views, 1 view. Oh my God, it's so pathetic, What? Look at it. Okay, and I said, okay. If that's what my audiences want, no problems. I'm going to go back and double down on it, okay? So now, after this first 3 that showed me that that's what I wanted, I went back to it. I'm a good student, of course. I am a good student. And I went back to creating more videos about showing people how to use AI to make videos, different kind of videos, and that has been getting the views. You can see here, 2 views, 2 views. Oh, I'm telling you, and it's just popping up. Right now, what am I here to tell you? You gotta give your audience what they want. Simple, point blank. I can't make this up. YouTube is no longer the way you thought it was. It's about interest right now. Interest. I posted this 10 hours, 13 hours ago, so it's still trying to get into the algorithm. You can see that it's trying to get its own audience, right? You can see the reach, it hasn't gotten any views, but it's actually climbing up bit by bit. That's what you need to do, right? Find out what resonates with your audience and give them what they want. Look at this two views each came within the last, I think that was yesterday, right? And today, I can see this is a 1 out of 10. This is a 1 out of 10. How to create true crime story videos with Videoinu AI for free. Guys, come and watch this video. You will be blessed by it, I tell you. This is a revolutionary platform that you can use. I'm telling you, I'm using it for my other, channels, and it's actually doing well. It's actually getting the views. I'm telling you. So now, to the final conclusion about this sprint. What I just got to realize is that YouTube is not the same. Yes, it's not about posting so many videos back to back, which I did. It's about giving the audience what they want. And it's only if it resonates with your audience that YouTube will further push it. Don't forget, when you post a video and you lay it out there, YouTube is going to take it and show it to a set of people, and then depending on their reaction, depending on if they watch it for longer or maybe they like it or something, then YouTube will further take it to more people. So that's how it is. It's based on interest, no longer because it's your subscribers. Look, let me tell you something. I did an experiment, right? I decided not to post to subscription feed, right? You see this one? This one that has 2 views, I didn't post it to the subscription feed, and yet it's still getting the views. So if you want to tap into that, you can decide not to post to subscription feed, because if your subscribers were the ones you beg to subscribe to your channel, they're not going to watch your videos, okay? They're not going to watch your videos. The best thing is allow YouTube to find your audience for you, right? And that was what I did with this particular video. It came out of 0 view jail, right? That's it. That is it. So I've decided going forward, obviously I'm not quitting YouTube. That was just a joke. I'm not going to quit YouTube, because I know that being on YouTube is just much more than just saying you want to do this as a hobby, right? But what I realized is that give people what they want. QED. I can't make this up. Just give people what they want, and you'll be sure that once they have that interest, and then they click on it. And of course, if your thumbnails are good, obviously they're going to click on it. And once they click on it and they watch for longer, because don't forget, what gets you the click is either your title or your thumbnail, okay? Now, what keeps you being recommended is your average view duration. So if they watch it and they love it and they watch for longer, YouTube is definitely going to push your videos more, because you'll say, oh, this person likes this video and is watching for longer. So this person is aligning with our vision of keeping more people on the platform. Don't forget, YouTube is a business. Yes. So the more they have people who are going to be watching them, the more they are going to push you. Okay. That's how it is. So in conclusion, final statement, giving my judgment, give people what they want. Once you give people what they want, they watch for longer, YouTube will push your videos. That's it. Okay. Now, am I quitting YouTube? No, not at all. You're still going to hear from me, okay? And you're going to be seeing, more videos that are tending towards giving more value, okay? Giving value, teaching you things that you will learn on your YouTube journey, and that's going to keep you going from one level to the next level. And by the grace of God, God's going to grant us wisdom, knowledge, and understanding to excel and prosper in this YouTube streets. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button. And don't forget to join Content to Cash Academy. And I'll see you on the inside. Take care.